Wow, we made it to Miami.
Ah, I can't wait to see everything.
Let's head to our hotel. This city is...
The weather is nice and sunny today.
Welcome. Here are your room keys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This room is amazing. Look at the ocean! The ocean is so beautiful. The beach looks perfect. Let's go outside and enjoy it. Everything seems calm and beautiful.
The wind is getting stronger.
The sky is turning dark.
Think a hurricane.
I think a hurricane is coming.
What is a hurricane?
A hurricane is a very strong storm with powerful wind and...
The wind is getting really strong now.
Please return to the hotel immediately.
Let's go back now. It's not safe outside.
Shall we go inside?
It's not safe outside.
Welcome back. Please stay indoors. It's starting to rain heavily. Did you hear that noise?
Started hailing. What is it? That was so loud! The lights are gone again!
Stay close to me. The storm is getting worse.
Hold my hand, sweetheart.
Rescue teams are here. Please stay inside.
We're almost there.
We're safe for now.
Welcome. Please remain calm.
There are so many people here.
Everyone stay calm. We are prepared for this. And stay...
This storm is very scary.
The building is shaking! I've never heard wind like this before.
We will get through this.
The storm is not over yet.
The wind is even stronger now. When will this end? Just a little longer.
Look, the rain is slowing down.
I think the worst is over.
The rain is stopping.
The sun is coming out.
Let's go outside carefully.
The storm changed everything.
People need help. Let's help them. People need help. Let's help them. Thank you so much.
Let's enjoy this moment before we go back.
Bye. See you soon.
These memories will last a lifetime.
The storm is finally over.
I will always remember this day.
We stayed together.
And every storm always ends